Alright everyone, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to find our screen share feature in a given map. So we'll go ahead and use this map that I've made, and you'll click the view icon to go to the map, and from here I will zoom over whatever part of the map I want my team working on. And of course I'm just doing this video for you right now, so I don't have anyone online working with me. But if I did, I would click this little icon right here, and I would simply click join. It actually looks like my fellow mapper Katie is online, but I won't bother her right now. And I would go ahead and message her through that portal. And once she's in and we're both on this map, then as I move, the screen will be moved on her end and vice versa. Likewise, any markups I make or changes to the map I make are going to be shown on her side and vice versa. So that's how you do it. Thanks.